I'm pretty good at barking. I've been practicing a lot lately.
Hit me with your best bark.
Give fans a whinny right now. You know, that's like how they say hello in their language. Hey, Philbo, watch this. Okay. Wish this game had a dog. Okay. Oh! 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 Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to make that sound. Oh. Wow! 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 Yeah! I'm. Oh! The monkey bark. Through the metallic sections, opening up the metallic. Oh! I'm fine. Would a moth VTuber make this sound? I don't know the buttons, guys! Where the fuck is circle? Square! And they're crunchy too. I got a good crisp to them. Oh, damn it! Say my precious with that tone. Okay, I can't. I need a workshop, you guys. That I can do. Yay! Mostly of you guys. Ooh, sorry. Sorry, it's very dusty in here.
Missed something in there, you know?
Oh! Sorry. Oh my god, new text. Hey girl, hey!